here today to celebrate your success. To formally begin this program, may I request everyone to please stand and feel the presence of our Lord for the opening prayer, and please remain standing for the Andy Junior A. Legazpi. Aniza Crisbel B. Espineda.